Stick around as we mount and provide power over Ethernet to some BoxIT Design solutions.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a BoxIT Design tablet enclosure for your Microsoft Surface Go and how to provide power and data via PoE. Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you need to get the job done. We used the GAT USB-C PD to provide power and data to the Surface Go. Make sure you have your tablet, and you'll also need some drywall anchors or screws. A 1/4 inch will do. For this install, you'll need a bubble level, which you can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a drill with bits including a hole saw, and a screwdriver. We're showing this install assuming the home run cable is already in place. Let's get started. Tyler's first step is to find the right placement for the mount and mark the holes where he needs to drill. It is important to note that he's drilling through 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock. Now he's using the 5/8 inch drill bit to make the opening for the USB-C cable to fit through. Always remember to wear your safety goggles and earplugs for your protection. Now you can see that the USB-C cable fits perfectly into the new slot. Now just feed the other end of the cable into the opening on the back of the mount and you're ready to secure it. Once you've loosely connected the screws, it's a good time to make sure your mount is level before tightening them all the way. Here's the GAT USB-C PD being connected and powered by a switch behind the wall. Now he's ready for the Surface Go. Just make sure to connect it to the USB-C cable first, then slide it into the opening of the mount. BoxIT Design enclosures come with their own set of keys which are used to lock and unlock the mount. And you're done! Tyler successfully installed a BoxIT Design Surface Go mount and provided power with wired data via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.